You know, a snack means serious business when the first sound is this glorious from hot oil. This sound alone can make anyone suddenly appear in the kitchen like they were just casually passing by. Look at these pakoras, slowly becoming the reason someone will say, "Bas ek aur de do." Because today we are making a snack that can easily make chai feel underdressed. Pyaz bread pakoda. And now the moment of truth. That sound, not just a crunch, that's the official soundtrack of happiness. Now let's start building the magic. Onions are the real celebrities of Indian snacks. They bring flavor, drama, and occasionally tears. And of course, green chilies are basically the spicy cousins at every family gathering. Then we grate some ginger over the bowl. And now we start seasoning. Add freshly chopped coriander, bright fresh, and already making everything look healthier than it actually is. Then went salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, white sesame seeds, carom seeds, a pinch of hing, loads of gram flour, which is our besan, and a little rice flour to make sure the pakoras turn out extra crispy. Then goes water, but slowly. We only want a semi-thick batter. And here's an important trick. Onions release water once salt is added. So if you add too much water now, the batter will say, "मैं पकोड़ा नहीं, प्याज सूप बनने वाला हूँ." So keep it slightly thick at first. As you mix, it will naturally loosen. Now cut the bread slices into triangles. Of course, shapes are your choice. Square, triangle, rectangle, pakoda democracy is fully allowed here. Spread the onion batter on both sides of the bread. See how nicely the onions stick to the bread. It's like they have signed a long-term contract. Now gently slide it into hot oil. Make sure the flame is medium to low so the pakoda cooks nicely from inside. Because crispy outside but raw inside, that's not pakoda, that's disappointment. For the rest of the slice, I am switching to the hands-on technique. Sometimes cooking with hands just feels more real and also slightly more dangerous when batter starts going everywhere. Look at them bubbling away, slowly turning golden like they are preparing for their crispy debut. Once the first two pakoras are nicely cooked on one side, gently flip them. And just look at that color. This is the moment when your kitchen starts smelling so good that suddenly everybody in the house appears from nowhere asking, क्या बन रहा है? If you're curious about some of the cookware or tools used here, check the description box. I have added affiliate links there so you can easily find them if you need them. Moving on, once the pakoras are ready, remove them onto a plate lined with tissue. Now in the same oil, fry some green chilies. Some spicy, some mild. Because every family has that one person who confidently says, "मुझे तीखा पसंद है," and 2 seconds later starts coughing. And it's time to play. Take chutney of your choice. Green chutney works beautifully, but ketchup भी बिल्कुल welcome है. Top them with those fried green chilies. At this point, even the camera is probably getting hungry. Crispy outside, soft bread inside, spicy onions, hints of ajwain and sesame. Honestly, this plate has serious finish in 5 minutes energy. If you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow snack lovers and subscribe to Culinary Heritage by Devika. Because here, we believe cooking should be simple, delicious and slightly entertaining. And with that, stay crispy, stay curious. See you soon.